Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim like free UGCs like accessories outside of the game, like for your Roblox avatar, obviously. So go to the winter spotlight. Just by entering, you get a free accessory, which is the beanie one. And then I'm going to open this gift. The first token I got was by playing Dress to Impress. And on the second token, I'm just going to play Bloxburg because that's basically what I played. There's a lot of games. Just press got it. Actually, I'm gonna find Bloxburg. I thought I could do that by pressing. Oh, let's go to visits actually. And I'm going to find the game that I play. I mainly just play Bloxburg and Dress to Impress. So I already claimed these from Dress to Impress. So I'm going to claim it from Bloxburg. Okay, so I'm outside of the Bloxburg like door, and it says earn 750 tickets by playing winter minigames or shoveling snow to claim this reward. So I'm going to attempt to just earn 750 tickets right now. So I'll be back when I've done it. So as you can see, I am done collecting the 750 tickets. So I'm just going to get out of Bloxburg and I'm just going to go back to the Winter Spotlight event. Let's just play that and see what we have. Like what the prize is, I guess. Also for the other one, it's like very exclusive. You'll need like around I'll look at it later, but you'll need a lot to open that one. So insert tokens here, and let's see what we have. We've got a firework, so cute. And you can insert more to open this one. You'll need 3, and there are a lot of games that you can play. So you can win a lot of free stuff. I'll show you right now like what I had before. Also, for this one, you'll need the red one and you'll need 18 of them. For the elite one, so let's go to avatar, and for the one I had just now, it's in accessories too, I think. It's the firework one. You get this. And the one I had yesterday was this beanie. Super cute. So that's how you can get like free accessories on Roblox. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.